If you've been struggling with weak erections, low stamina, or just want to perform better in the bedroom, this video is for you, because I'll share with you one nighttime drink supported by science that can naturally boost blood flow, testosterone, and erectile strength. And here's the best part. It's simple, natural, and you can make it at home before bed. Welcome back to Health I Seek, the channel where we bring seniors the truth about natural healing, vitality, and aging strong. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute any medical care. Always seek advice from your doctor before making any changes or decisions regarding your health. Now, let's get started. Before we reveal the drink, let's quickly understand how erections actually work. Erections depend on healthy blood flow to the penis. The brain sends signals that release nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and allows them to fill with blood. Strong erections also rely on good testosterone levels and nerve function. So, if you want harder, longer-lasting erections, you need better blood circulation, healthy hormone balance, reduced stress, and better sleep. And this nighttime drink can help with all three. So what is this drink? It's a simple combination of warm milk, turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a small piece of ginger, a teaspoon of honey. Let's break it down scientifically. Milk, rich in amino acids like tryptophan, which promote relaxation and deep sleep. Better sleep improves testosterone production, which peaks at night. Turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation damages blood vessels, restricting flow to the penis. Turmeric improves blood circulation and endothelial function. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. This ensures turmeric's benefits actually reach your bloodstream. Ginger increases nitric oxide production and improves blood vessel health. Studies show ginger can also boost testosterone levels naturally. Honey contains boron and antioxidants that regulate hormones and improve blood sugar balance, helping sustain energy and erections. This combination creates a testosterone-friendly, circulation-boosting, stress-reducing drink. Let's look at some research backing this drink. A study in phytotherapy research showed that curcumin improves endothelial function, the health of blood vessels, which is crucial for strong erections. Research from the International Journal of Cardiology found that ginger increases nitric oxide levels, enhancing vasodilation, blood vessel widening. A clinical trial in andrologia revealed that men with better sleep cycles had up to 25% higher testosterone levels. Since milk and honey improve sleep, this drink indirectly boosts male hormones. Honey also contains flavonoids that reduce oxidative stress, which is known to damage erectile function. So, this drink works on multiple levels, reduces inflammation, improves blood flow, boosts testosterone, enhances sleep quality. Here's how you can make it at home. Ingredients: 1 cup warm milk, cow's, almond, or oat milk, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon grated ginger or ginger powder, 1 teaspoon raw honey. Method: warm the milk, but don't boil. Add turmeric, ginger, and black pepper. Stir well. Let it cool slightly, then add honey. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed. This drink is powerful, but if you want maximum results, exercise regularly, especially Kegel exercises and cardio. Eat erection-friendly foods like pomegranates, spinach, and nuts. Quit smoking and reduce alcohol as they damage blood vessels. Reduce stress through meditation, breathing exercises, or yoga. When combined with this nighttime drink, these habits can significantly improve performance. Avoid too much turmeric if you have gallbladder issues. If you're diabetic, check your blood sugar before adding honey. If you're allergic to milk, use plant-based milk. So there you have it, a simple, science-backed nighttime drink that can improve blood flow, boost testosterone, and help you wake up feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to perform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more science-based tips on health, wellness, and natural performance boosters. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and remember, your lifestyle is your best medicine.